You want to start your career in Salesforce. You have got all the right certifications and skills needed for the job. Now you are feeling confident and have begun applying to your dream companies. But here is the thing, either you are not hearing back from them or you are finding it tough to ace those interviews. Sound familiar? It's a common struggle for many freshers. You might be wondering, are there no opportunities for fresher in Salesforce? Well, let me tell you, that's not true at all. But do you know why this is happening? It all comes down to one thing, that is practical hands-on experience. Let's talk real for a moment. In today's fast-paced world, just knowing theory is not enough. Employers want candidates who are ready to go from day one, who really understand their field and who can handle real challenges with ease. That's why hands-on experience is very important. It's not just nice to have, it's must to have if you want to stand out from the crowd and land the dream job. Now, I know what you all must be thinking. How can a fresher get a real hands-on experience, right? So here's the answer you have been looking for. S2 Labs. We are launching Summer Internship 2024, where we are turning theory into practice and dream into reality. Over 45 days and 90 hours of intensive training will be prepare you for 4 pillars of IT: development, quality assurance, DevOps, and business analysis. You can consider this as your all-access pass to the world of Salesforce. You will learn about data modeling, UI customization, data management, process automation, and even dive into advanced topics like MVC architecture and Apex development. Plus, we will guide you through hands-on projects that simulate real-world scenarios, ensuring you are ready to hit the ground running in any Salesforce role. With personalized mentorship and a supportive community by your side, the sky is the limit for what you can achieve in our summer internship. Now, let's paint a picture. Imagine 2 candidates walk into an interview. Candidate A has not had any hands-on experience with Salesforce, while candidate B has completed our summer internship. Who do you think is going to leave a lasting impression on the interviewer? Spoiler alert, it's candidate B. But why? Because they have not only gained practical experience but also tackled the real-world projects, honed their skills, and gained the confidence to ace any interview that comes their way. Plus, they have the internship certificate from S2 Labs, which validates their knowledge. Let's discuss what happens once you finish the internship. Imagine having a certificate from S2 Lab filled with practical experience and feeling ready to tackle anything. It's like an opening door to a world of job possibilities. You could go for roles like Salesforce admin, developer, business analyst, and there's no limit to where you could go. So what are the benefits of our summer internship? Well, besides gaining invaluable experience and boosting your resume, you will also have the chance to network with industry experts, gain mentorship, and set yourself apart from the competition. Plus, did I mention the satisfaction of knowing you are one step closer to your dream job? Now, I know you all are excited and ready to take the plunge. So let me tell you, applying for our summer internship is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply head over to our website s2labs.com/summerinternship. Fill out the application form and there you go. You are one step closer to realizing your full potential with S2 Labs. So what are you waiting for? Secure your spot now and be one of the first 10 to enjoy an amazing 10% discount. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Join us this summer and let's make your Salesforce dreams a reality. See you at S2 Labs.